The construction of the world's tallest bridge pillars was an engineering feat that captured the world's attention, but the task of connecting them posed a formidable challenge. As engineers embarked on the ambitious project of building the Millau Viaduct, the tallest cable-stayed bridge in France, they encountered a major dilemma. Placing prefabricated road sections between the towering pillars proved to be a daunting task, fraught with technical complexities and logistical hurdles. The sheer scale of the endeavor was staggering. Each road section, weighing as much as 25 locomotive engines, had to be carefully positioned between the pillars, spanning vast distances high above the ground. With a total of 8 such sections to be installed, the challenge was immense. Compounding the difficulty was the lack of cranes capable of hoisting such colossal weights to the staggering height of 800 feet. The engineers faced a critical dilemma: traditional methods of construction risked destabilizing the towering pillars. The towering height of the pillars made them susceptible to collapse if subjected to uneven loads or excessive forces. The stakes were high, with delays in construction incurring substantial financial penalties of $30,000 per day. However, amidst the challenges and uncertainties, there was hope. The Millau Viaduct stood as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Built in 2004 at a cost of €394 million, it soared to a height of 1,125 feet, surpassing even the iconic Eiffel Tower by 45 feet. Its graceful form seemed to defy gravity, casting a mesmerizing silhouette against the sky. But the road to this architectural marvel was fraught with obstacles. The French government grappled with mounting traffic congestion, particularly in the city of Millau, nestled amidst the mountains. Tourists traveling from northern France to Spain faced arduous journeys, navigating through congested city streets and winding mountain roads. The need for a direct motorway from Paris to Spain became increasingly urgent, prompting the ambitious vision of the Millau Viaduct. The vision, however, was met with skepticism. Many doubted the feasibility of constructing such a towering bridge, let alone spanning the challenging terrain of the Millau Valley. Yet, the French government pressed forward, driven by the imperative to alleviate traffic congestion and foster economic growth in the region. Thus, the stage was set for an engineering marvel unlike any other. Lord Norman Foster, renowned for his prowess in bridge design, was tasked with translating the vision into reality. His design, delicate yet robust, aimed to balance aesthetic elegance with structural integrity. Yet, the road to success was fraught with uncertainty. The challenges began at the very foundation of the pillars. Geologists discovered fractured limestone beneath the construction site, harboring unique bacteria that posed a risk to the project. Despite warnings of potential landslides, construction commenced, only to be met with a dramatic setback when a dangerous landslide threatened to derail the project. Yet, the resilience of the construction team prevailed, as they stabilized the slope and forged ahead with unwavering determination. The construction process itself was a marvel of precision and innovation. Nearly 200,000 tons of concrete were poured to form the 7 towering pillars, each meticulously crafted to withstand the forces of nature. The installation of steel sections, stretching over 4,000 kilometers if laid end to end, required meticulous planning and execution. As the pillars reached their towering heights, the next phase of the project loomed large, installing the expansive road sections. Weighing a staggering 36,000 tons, each road section posed a formidable challenge. The engineers devised a novel solution, utilizing hydraulic ramp systems to push the sections into place. The synchronization of these systems was crucial, as any deviation could spell disaster for the entire structure. Amidst meticulous planning and precise execution, the Millau Viaduct began to take shape. With each passing day, the once distant dream edged closer to reality. The culmination of years of effort and innovation, the viaduct stood as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. On December 16, 2004, the Millau Viaduct was unveiled to the world, a triumph of engineering and imagination. As vehicles traversed its graceful arc, they bore witness to the indomitable spirit of human endeavor. From the depths of the Millau Valley to the heights of the heavens, the viaduct stood as a beacon of progress and possibility, forever etched in the annals of history.